How did your race go? Did you win?
Yes, I won the race. You should join us next time.
Hey, Red. Look, what's this?
Leave it alone, it's just a tablet.
Hello, officer. It's an emergency. A school bus has been infected by a virus and is crashing into cars. Please come quickly to road number 7, near the new fuel station.
Scientist, I need the antidote for the virus-infected car. It's urgent. Our police cars are fighting an infected school bus.
Hey, hurry up! We need to finish stealing all the golden traffic lights before sunrise.
Almost done. How do I grab this golden traffic light? How many golden traffic lights are on this street? Do you think we can finish in time?
Don't worry, I have a plan. We'll finish in time.
Hey, what are you two doing? You're stealing the golden traffic lights. I'm calling the police. Wait right there.
Oh no!
Hey, stop joking around and help us steal the golden traffic lights. We've got a lot of work to do.
Hey, are you crazy? I'm scared, you idiot.
Sorry, dude, I'm just joking. I'll help move to that sign. I'll take down the traffic light.
Oh no! Where are all the traffic lights? Sunrise is almost here. Sir, the traffic lights are missing in my area. Oh, sunrise is almost here. Sir, let me lock down the city until the traffic lights are fixed. Good idea. I'll inform the rescue team to fix the lights. You check the CCTV, find the thieves, and send their location. Attention everyone, do not go outside. This is a warning to all cars. We will update you before sunset. No more funny business, stay indoors. Hey, play the CCTV footage from this area from night until now. Where are those guys going? Hello, sir. I found the location. It's an old building on 7th Street. Oh no! You're all under arrest for stealing the golden traffic lights.
Let's go fast. We must deliver these logs on time. Hello, officer. Our log truck is stuck in the mud. We are in the middle of the forest. Please send help quickly.
Is heavy. I can't do it alone. Let's work together and pull it out.
With teamwork and strength, the truck was rescued. The logs were delivered on time.
Wow, the city is so peaceful today.
I think this car is helping me correct my mistake. I have given you power to help the cars in danger.
Wow, I'm flying, I have wings.
Let's go and help the cars in danger. Fly, fly.
Please help. 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 Can someone please help me?
Leave that car, otherwise I will destroy you.
Unleash your firepower. You're now ready to face the main villain. Before you, I chose someone else. He didn't follow my orders and committed crimes in the city.
Why you not taking your powers back?
I didn't have the power to take him back. Let us go and find that villain.
Where can I find that one?
Ask the police. Last time, a bat set the building on fire. They will tell you.
Hey, I know you. Last time, you lit up that building, right?
That wasn't me. I need the address of the other guy.
It's right across the gas station.
Wow, that one shows up.
Unleash your double-up power now.
Oh no!
Please, take all my powers. Just leave me be.